everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add music bots to Discord server. The first thing you need to do is choose a music bot. Now we have some popular choices like Groovy, which is known for its ease of use and extensive features. We have Rhythm, another popular option with a wide range of commands. We have Fretbot, which offers high quality audio and a variety of features. We have Hydra, a versatile bot with advanced features. So after choosing a music bot, by considering your needs also, look for a bot that offers the features you want. For example, playing music from YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, and custom commands. After choosing the bot, the next thing you're going to do is invite the bot to your server. How do you do this? Go to the website of the music bot you've chosen, click the invite button. This will redirect you to the Discord authorization page. Select the server by choosing the Discord server where you want to add the bot. Then the bot will request certain permissions, e.g. connect and speak in voice channels, manage messages for some commands. So after asking for these permissions, grant the necessary permissions. Carefully review them before granting the required permissions. Then you click authorize. Then the bot needs to be in a voice channel to play music, so you need to join a voice channel. Each bot has its own set of commands. So some commands include, we have play. This is the first command here. To play a song. Let me make it clearer for us. So this is the first command to play a song. So you put /play, you put in the song, just write it this way, even that the song will be here, and then the URL, the address for the song. So we have to play the song. Then we use this particular one, this queue. Use this one. It is to view the current queue, and then the skip is to skip the current song, and then stop. This is how you type it in to stop the music. These are the commands you can use, the bot commands you use. Now don't forget to check the bot's website or in-app help for a complete list of commands and instructions. Please note, it's very important, please note this, that ensure the bot has the necessary permissions to function correctly within your server. Always review the terms of service and privacy policy of the bot you choose. Be mindful of copyright laws when playing music on Discord. Only play music that you have the right to or that's available under a Creative Commons license. By following these steps, you can easily add a music bot to your Discord server and enhance your listening experience. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.